Okay, so we're going to take a look at how to perform day two operations on the cloud resources that have been provisioned from our previous requests. Um, Everything that comes in, part of the intent is to offload a lot of the cloud web console, AWS web console access onto an easy to use self-service platform, so people don't have to, have a degree in, AWS cloud services in order to consume those resources. Um, so we're going to go find our service and our subscription that was deployed. So I go to the menu, went to the menu up top, and clicked on services and assets. We see that this is my um, sample for recording here. Um, we're logged in as Bob the agent. So when you click on this, as we've seen in other videos, you get a bunch of details about it. You can start to see the start date and the end date, things of that nature. Um, if you want to modify the end date, for instance, you can do so by clicking this actions and modify subscription. Go through the form, fill out the new date that you like in there. If you want to cancel the subscription in totality and terminate everything and save those costs effectively from all those cloud resources that have been provisioned for you, you can just cancel the subscription right away, and that'll terminate everything there. In our case, we're going to take a look at additional actions that can be taken when we manage the service instance in and of itself. We've seen this view before in some of the other videos, but here we have our actual server itself. We can see that there's one server in this particular subscription, and that's in one server group. If we focus on the server itself, we can see some details about it here, and we can take additional actions. You have this drop down over here. You can restart the instance, you can stop the instance, and start the instance here. And additional actions against this cloud resource can be defined and can be tailored into the system, if you will. And that's relatively easy on the back end once we define what those look like. Again, if you drill into it, you get the details of the instance itself. And again, you have this actions drop down for which you can do the same things. If we go back here, um, you know, we're going to actually go terminate this instance here in a second. But let's take an action and let's stop the instance prior to canceling and terminating. So we'll go ahead and stop that instance. Amazon stop instance, execute, and this will go out and stop that server from running, that EC2 instance from execution, from running. So therefore, taking it off of out of use effectively. That'll happen. That'll happen for us automatically. If there were errors, they would come back here to this particular view. We're not expecting any, so we'll go ahead and pause this video.